Assalamu alaikum class. I am your maths teacher from Light School. Open page number 11. Multiplication. In multiplication, first value is called multiplicand and second value is called multiplier and the answer is called product. Definition of multiplicand is the number or quantity to be multiplied. The multiplier is the number or quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied. The product is simply the end result answer of the multiplication. Division. In division, this value is called dividend and this one is divisor and the answer is called quotient and the left value is called remainder. Now I am going to solve exercise 1C at page number 14. Fill in the blanks. In this number is called the dash. This one is first value and first value is called multiplicand. The quantity by which the multiplicand is to be multiplied is known as multiplier. The number which divides a dividend is called a divisor. Divide this number divided by 100 is equal to dash. When we divide a number by 100, then 20 will be cancelled and remaining digits is your answer. 184 is your answer. If the dividend is 348 and the divisor is 12, then the remainder is 0. When we divide these two numbers, then we get remainder 0. Question number 2, true false. When this number is divided by 6, the remainder is 0. False. When we divide this number, then remainder will not be 0. In 429 divided by 8, the number 429 is the dividend. True. First value is called dividend and the second one is divisor. If we divide this number by 12, the quotient is 308. When we divide this number by 12, then we get answer 308. So this one is true. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is 100, the other number will be this. False. In 100 there are 2 0. So in answer this 20 and first value is this one 2748. This one is 0. So this is false. Multiply these two value is equal to this. When we multiply these two numbers, then we get answer change. So this one is false. Question number 3. The result of multiplication of two numbers is called the product. Multiply these two numbers equals to this one. If we divide this by 26, the remainder is 16. When we divide these two numbers, then we get remainder 16. The number left in the end of a long division is called the remainder. If the cost of one book is 35, then to find the cost of 13 books, we will multiply it. Because when we find the values of more things, then we multiply the numbers. Next questions we will solve on white. Exercise 1C, page number 15, question number 5. Write in vertical form, then multiply. We multiply these two numbers. First we multiply this number with all of these numbers, then second and then third. 9 to the 18, 8, 1 carry, 9 6 the 54. Plus 55, 5 carry, 9 5 the 45 plus 550, 0, 5 carry, 9 to the 18 plus 5, 23, 3 2 carry, 9 7 the 63 plus 2, 65. Now we multiply second number. First we write here cross or 0. 6 to the 12, 2 1 carry, 6 6 the 36. Plus 1 37, 7 3 carry, 6 5 the 30 plus 3 33, 3 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 3 15, 5 1 carry, 6 to the 12 plus 1 13, 3 1 carry, 6 7 the 42 plus 1 43. Now we multiply third number. First we write here 2 cross or 2 0. 1 to the 2, 1 6 the 6, 1 5 the 5, 1 to the 2, 1 7 the 7. Now we add these values. 8, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 3 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry, 5 plus 5 plus 5 15 plus 1 16, 6 1 carry, 6 plus 3 plus 2 11 plus 1 12, 2 1 carry, 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12. Next questions are also same. Question number 6. Multiplicate this and multiply this. Find product. Multiplicate we write first, then multiplier, and then we multiply. 1 9 the 9, 1 2 the 2, 1 8 the 8, 1 5 the 5. Cross. 3 9 the 27, 7 2 carry, 3 2 the 6 plus 2 8, 3 8 the 24, 4 2 carry, 3 5 the 15 plus 2 17. Third one, right here 2 cross. 4 9 the 36, 6 3 carry, 4 8 the 32 plus 3 3. 4 2 the 8 plus 3 11, 1 1 carry, 4 8 the 32 plus 1 33, 3 3 carry, 4 5 the 20 plus 3 23. Now we add these values and this is your answer. Next questions are also same. Question number 7. Divide these numbers. We write here table of 28, then we put here values. This is 40. We take 56 because but 56 greater than 40, so we take 28 1 the 28. 40 minus 28 12. 4 bring down. This is 124. 28 multiply 5 140, which is bigger number, so we take this number. 28 for the 112, again minus remainder 12. These two bring down. This is 122. Again we take this number. 28 for the 112. 10 is your remainder. Next questions are also same. Question number 9. Divided is 399 and divisor is 17. We write divider inside the division and this is divider outside. Now we write table of 17. 17 to the 34. 39 minus 34 5 and 9 bring down. 17 3 the 51 and 8 is your remainder. Next questions are also same. Question number 10. Write the quotients in the blanks. We divide 4900 divided by 49, then we get answer 100, which is quotient. 8000 divided by 20 is equal to 400. 4800 divided by 40 is equal to 120. 6500 divided by 10 is equal to 650. 5100 divided by 17 is equal to 300. 8400 divided by 12 is equal to 700.